So today I want to work on feathers with you, like angel wings. And I want you to see that as we're coming around on angel wings, there's all kinds of wings you can do. But I want to start with an angle brush that we're going, oops, that's not an angle, where's the angle? We're going to start with an angle brush and we're going to work on doing these strokes. All right, there it is. It's a 5/8. And we have some larger ones, but this is a good one to start with. All right, so what I want to do, I've got my double loader, I got some paints I've been using. So one of the things is that we can use a raw umber and a linen. So we come over here, we work it in, we can use medium gray. There's all kinds of colors. Like I can come in here now and add some white. Right, we don't use water. We dampen this brush, laid it on a paper towel, and then we're going right into our paint. And our paint, let me show you, our paint is multi-surface satin, and it has a sealer in it. It's by Plaid, the company's Plaid. It's a folk art paint. It's my go-to colors. And there's like 150 something colors. It's wonderful. But I have usually about 30 something of my most used colors. And if you go to onestroke.com on my website, you could see those and make it easy for you to select what I like the most, even in little paint kits, okay? So I want you to see that I'm going to come up with a chisel from both sides. I didn't get that chalk where I wanted it on that side. So there we go. All right, so what's going to happen? This is an easy way. This is an easy way to do it. Okay, is that we're going to come here on both sides as we come up. And then you can go another layer. So I can come here even and add some more colors. See, we could pressure and lift. So see, these underneath will be a little bit darker. So like I come here again with browns or grays. Okay. And we just keep picking up more paint. Okay. So now I come back over here and I can dip into the white. And I want you to see that I'm going to push and push and you come right down on that and layer it. Okay, now this is an easy way to do some angel wings. Then I'm going to come right along in here. I'm going to say right along in here. And that's the top of the wings. All right, later in the year, I'm going to have a stencil for angel wings, which is going to make it real nice so that you know everywhere to put these little steps. All right, now what's going to happen along in here? I'm going to pick up white right on the toe. So that's the other thing I didn't share with you. This is the toe of this brush and the heel. And so the toe, you have to decide what color should be there. So to help you do this. So now we want some smaller strokes. So I'm going to come up like this and decide how I'm going to put these strokes into that wing. All right, so I'm going to pick up a little bit more white. And I've got linen and white and brown tone. Okay. Now, I'm going to keep picking up, sorry. Keep picking up white. You make it stand out a little bit. Every once in a while, you can touch a teeny bit of medium and then go back to picking up your linen, your white. Oops, y'all didn't see that. A teeny bit of medium, then go back and pick up white or go over here and touch the linen. Okay. But see, this to me isn't kind of dry looking there. So watch what happens here. You're going to take and layer this. See how pretty? And I keep picking up paint. See how you pull this up, pull this up. Okay, so I like it to have right under there a little bit darker. So look what happens. This is just a real simple angel wing that many people can do. Now, if you don't have an angle brush, try this with a flat brush and see how it gets for you. Okay, so what I want you to see is that this is going to shadow right in here. Okay. Oh my goodness. Just pretend that's not there. I'm putting my fingers right in it. All right, so I can come back and get a little bit more white and pull the white back into there. Okay, so now see how natural that dark looks in there. That's gonna be flowers. All right, so now if you look at this, you can see like maybe this needs a little bit more there and a little bit more there. So aren't they pretty though? Okay, so let's go to this side, and an easier way to do this side here is I'm going to pick up the linen and my toes touching the brown. Okay, so I can come in here and put the dark first. Right, then I can come pick up white. Very good job. A little bit more white. Let me see how I did those. Or gray, just remember you use gray and white or metallic gold and white. Okay, so now we want to match it. It's easier to have one side that you like and then go back. All right, so I'm gonna put a little bit of white here. So see, I'm mirroring it. And that's why my stencil is going to help you guys because you'll see both sides. Okay. I can put a couple more in here. We don't have to be exactly the same color, okay? Like I can come right in here. Bring some brown in there. All right. Now we're gonna take these right here, so they're gonna go 1, 2. Let me work that in. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you matching that side, a little bit more white, and then we're gonna come all the way to here. Keep stripping a little bit of white on that edge. And what's wonderful about the angle brush is as you push and come up, it gets thin as you come up, right? So we come right in here. We're gonna go right into right there. Remember I had y'all bring it back down earlier? Or if you put it in the right place, you can just line it right on top of there. You don't have to do all that blending I did a minute ago. Let me come back in here. Okay. So you can bring a little bit of this down into here. If you wanted to shade into there. Very well done. All right, so we're basically trying to meet both sides. Well, I want you to have fun with this. I want you to see that. Let me show you a little rosebud. We can take magenta with some white and make it a lighter pink. And then I could just use the linen and make a little rosebud. So really simply with this angle brush, see it goes up and over. Now watch this. I'm going to do the U, use a little bit of light. And then a bigger U. Look what happens here. Yeah, chisel, chisel, chisel. Remember I said I'm trying to cover where my finger went. Can't wait to see you guys do some feathers and your wings. These are just comma stroke. So you didn't have to do anything fancy. Just accomplish a few comma strokes on the chisel of an angle brush. And look how pretty it ends up being. Then I can come in with a little bit of browns and I can put a little bit more brown. But I cover where my finger touched it. And look, it ended up being nice because I I made a mess. Okay. I want you to see how easy that can be. So this is practice strokes. I teach you all kinds of one stroke tips and tricks that can help you right here on practice strokes. So there you go. Sign it and share it. Thank you so much for being on with me today. I'm excited to see that you learn anything you learn and you share on our Facebook group makes it even more fun. So, all right. And who did I? Oh, did I miss it? There you go. Showing, so let's see. There we go. Thank you guys. See you later.